Did you see that? This Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate is running apps that typically require Google framework. Where there's a will, there's a way. We figured out how to install YouTube, Instagram, and X on the Mate X-T. Honestly, it's not that hard. Let me introduce you to the secret weapon, Gbox. Gbox stands for Google Box. It helps any phone without Google mobile services or Google framework run Google apps. Since Huawei's been banned from Google services, I'm sure many non-Chinese users have tried solutions like Gbox or Gspace. To make things easier for new users, Huawei actually lists Gbox right in the App Store. You'll find all your favorite Google apps here completely free. I know this sounds like a paid promotion for Gbox, but seriously, it's not. At least now you can't use no Google as an excuse to reject Huawei phones. But do these Google apps actually work properly? I've tested most of them and found that there are no major issues. They are even optimized for the Mate X-T Ultimate. The UI automatically adapts to the folding screens. We tried messaging apps like WhatsApp. Messages were sent and received without any problem. Even when the app is completely closed, you will get notifications through a Huawei push service within 30 seconds. The only app I couldn't install was Google Wallet, meaning Google Pay remains unavailable. Here's another bummer for movie lovers. Netflix can be installed, but because it's not certified, it doesn't allow you to watch movies normally. While Huawei can pre-install Google services, it doesn't mean you can't make it work your own way. Again, where there's a will, there's a way. Here, we just want to say, if you are genuinely interested in a Huawei phone and it is available in your region, give it a real shot. The lack of Google services shouldn't stop you from buying it. Alright, this is Will from Gizmochina. Catch you next time.